Good morning, everybody. It is April 3rd, 2012. This is a raw look at what's on my weather desktop this morning. What am I looking at and what am I thinking as far as weather for the next few days? Remember, this is best viewed in full screen mode because it is taped in high resolution. We look at the weatherobservatory.com website this morning. We see a lot of clouds outside the house here, and that's generally the rule across our region. Matter of fact, let me just pull up satellite. You see these clouds coming in from the south. Remember, I told you we'd be having a disturbance moving out of the Gulf into our region, and here it comes with plenty of clouds in the area. Let's go back, check a couple more. Ziegler, Illinois, quite a few clouds there as well. We look at I-24 and quite a few clouds on I-24 this morning. Traffic flowing smoothly at the time this image was shot. So quite a few clouds over the region this morning. And we look at temperatures, and we are already into the 60s. Warm, moist. You went outside this morning, you probably noticed the humidity, the dew points are high. We have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and we are probably going to see showers and thunderstorms today. We take a look at the high temperatures for the next few days. Today, 70s, 80s. Tomorrow, generally in the 70s with some clouds around, and we move into Thursday. You see some 60s up in the St. Louis and 50s in central Illinois. Again, this is as the upper level low. The low pressure area moves by us, will bring in some rain, some clouds, and some cooler air as well. Friday, we moderate a little bit, still above normal. Remember, normal high this time of year is around 65, so 60s and 70s, still going to be above normal. And Saturday looks pretty nice. Saturday may be the pick day of the week with temperatures into the 70s, and I'm thinking mostly sunny skies. It should be fairly nice. We get a cold front that approaches on Easter Sunday, may bring some showers and thunderstorms perhaps Sunday night, Monday morning. Have to keep an eye on the timing, and the severe weather risk looks low. And then Monday we cool down into the 60s, and we may cool down even more later next week with colder air trying to nudge into our area. We look at the wind map this morning, and you see the southerly flow here. Our area is right here. See that southerly flow in the Gulf of Mexico pulling up the warm, moist air. See this spin right here? That's the area of low pressure out in Oklahoma and Texas, and the upper level low as well back here. Just sort of wind spiraling into that. It's kind of cool. You see the boundary here, where the northerly winds, the southerly winds, and you see the boundary there. Radar this morning, a few showers and thunderstorms over northeast Arkansas, probably more showers looking at live radar here, maybe a rumble of thunder, and some general thunderstorms in southern Arkansas back in Oklahoma. We will see an increase of storms today, and a few of those could be on the heavy side. I don't think we're going to see a widespread severe weather outbreak with any of these events over the next few days, but can't rule out some hail and gusty winds. Don't forget also check the blog on the Weather Observatory page. Just simply click weather blog, and that will take you there. Let me take you to a few more maps here. Let's look at the surface map this morning. We see the low pressure area here over southwest Oklahoma. Remember, I showed you the wind spiraling into it. Cold front, and here's that boundary. Remember, I showed you the boundary with the north winds and the south winds. So we're going to have area of convergence here, and a weak disturbance moving our area will spark showers and thunderstorms today. To see whether a couple of them could become severe. We move forward here a little bit. We see the cold front ends up draped across our region with the area low pressure just meandering out to our west over the next couple of days, slowly moving into the area on Wednesday night and Thursday. This is the Wednesday evening map, and you see showers and thunderstorms again over our area, perhaps a little more widespread on Wednesday night and Thursday. That may actually be our best chance for widespread rain, Wednesday night and Thursday, and then ending by Friday. Should leave us with a decent weekend. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather outlook. They have included us in a slight risk, and a slight risk means severe thunderstorms are likely to occur, but scattered in nature. The green area here is just where general thunderstorms are expected, general meaning not necessarily severe, although an isolated severe storm can't be ruled out. But they have outlined us. Let's look at the tornado risks, very low. The wind risk, they've got us in a 15% outlined area. That means 15% within 25 miles of any given point, 25 miles within any given point of a chance of a damaging wind gust. And hail, they've got the probabilities about the same. So what does that tell me? That tells me the Storm Prediction Center is concerned that there may be a few storms that could produce hail in our region today. perhaps some gusty winds as well, although if instability is kept down a little bit, then the concern won't be too much. We'll keep an eye on it. There could be a couple of warnings, maybe even a watch somewhere in the area. Look ahead to tomorrow on Wednesday, and the Storm Prediction Center has not outlined us for severe weather. They've got us in the green area, and that just means a chance for a couple of thunderstorms, general thunderstorms, but probably not going to be widespread severe weather. So that's good. Let's take a look at the upper level map off rightweather.com, and this is the 500 millibar map. And so you're thinking, well, what does that mean? You see these brighter colors here. These are areas of lift, energy basically, and as those move over, those spark showers and thunderstorms. So we'll watch this on Tuesday afternoon. You see how this crosses our region. That's going to be an area of lift, sparking some showers and thunderstorms. And you see this bigger, brighter area back here. That's the low I showed you earlier, the upper level low. And watch as that moves slowly to the east. It really does not move very fast. This is Wednesday afternoon, and you can see it hasn't moved far at all. And we move into Wednesday night, and this is when I told you we'll probably have our best chance of showers and thunderstorms. And generally, the best lift on these lobes of energy are to the east and northeast. So we'll watch that slowly cross our region into Thursday. There we are, Thursday afternoon, slowly moving out, and you can also tell it's opening up and weakening, so that's good. By Friday morning, it's moved off to the southeast, so that should provide for a decent day on Friday and Saturday. And one more map here for you. We'll look at the Futurecast radar. This is the WRF, and anywhere you see green and the colors are showers and thunderstorms. So I move through this afternoon and watch our area, which is right here. Some showers and thunderstorms there, some to the north, some to the south, some to the east, just sort of developing and moving around our area. And then as we excuse me, and then as we move into Wednesday morning, with loss of the heating and everything sort of dies down, but watch it perk up again as we move into Wednesday afternoon with the daytime heating, because as you know, the daytime heating helps with the development of showers and thunderstorms. So we see it redevelop on Wednesday afternoon across our area. Remember that boundary was right through here, that front. Here's the low pressure area back here. Here's the front. So another chance of rain and thunderstorms tomorrow. And then as this pulls out towards our region on Wednesday night and Thursday, more of a general rain is expected. As far as rainfall amounts, right now through Friday, it looks like mainly a quarter of an inch to a half an inch. They've painted some darker area in here that's over an inch. I think this is going to be generally scattered, the heavier amounts, and then more of a widespread quarter to a half an inch. I think we will all see some rain, which we need a little bit of rain. I think we will all see some rain out of this. It's just the heavier amounts may be more isolated. All right, have a good day.